Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Monday the 9th of June. In this short video we'll be looking at the charts on the euro against the US dollar. What we'll see is that on the daily, upside momentum seems to have been lost and we're rolling down, and the 20-day moving average is rolling over. On the weekly we're up to resistance, but the consolidation could just be a flag. And on the 4-hour chart, we're also losing momentum. So on the daily picture, and you can see we've kind of got this rolling pattern. Some would even see it maybe as a short-term head and shoulders, which would be confirmed if we had a move downwards. But I'm just looking at the rolling picture at the moment, looking at the 20-day moving average, which is rolling and has created resistance over the last 2 or 3 days. And it's now moving downwards. You can see the loss of upside momentum in the RSI, which is in a downtrend. Did have a non-confirmation there on the high that we had 10 days ago as well. And the MACD are also rolling down and are signaling a sell as the shorter is below the longer term. What will happen? Probably the consolidation will continue down. That will let the 50-day moving average catch up somewhat. That will probably occur around the 111 level, and then we'll see if that support holds. Looking at the weekly picture, and here you can see that we have the band, the period, the long period we had last year of range trading, and that certainly is causing the resistance to the upside. There's lots of key resistance levels, and we seem to be faltering at the ones that we saw back in September-ish. This could just be a flag as we hit the resistance, and we'll just get sideways drift. Let the moving averages, the shorter term, the 20 and the 50 week catch up, and then that could give the push through. But we're likely to drift, and on this weekly, as I said on the daily, 111 would be a sensible level for it to pull back to. Here the RSI is still quite high at 63, and is still indicative of positive momentum. It's still in its uptrend, and also the MACD are still positive. Going on to the 4-hour chart, and you can see here that the 20 and 50 averages are moving downwards, and we're up to them, which are causing short-term resistance on any further upside. The RSI did become slightly oversold. That's now ticked back up and has actually gone back above 50. And also the MACD are reasonably positive, although they're still below zero. So the key level here, the 50-day at 112.06 is the key resistance level. If we were to break above there, then maybe in the short term we could go a bit further. There is another key resistance at 112.50. But my view will be that the moving averages will push the euro lower, and it won't break that resistance. Looking at the daily support resistance levels, there's resistance at that rolling 20-day at 112.13, and then at 112.29, with support at 111.32 and 111.09. So that's been TA for Traders, having a look at the euro against the US dollar. The key things to look at are that on the daily, it's a rolling picture. We seem to have lost upside momentum. On the weekly, we're at resistance, and this could be a flag, but we need to wait. And on the 4 hour, the moving averages are key resistance. I hope you found this video of interest. Thanks for watching. Please remember that these videos are for educational purposes only and are not meant as an investment recommendation.